What's up, glue dots? So I know it's been a while. Okay, I just wanted to show you. Okay, I first off just woke up in my pajamas still, but I wanted to show you my kind of before and after little redecorating project that I did at our cabin. Um, Basically, what I did is just some paint and some new accessories, new little curtains, and totally changed the look. It's a little hard to tell on video. You don't get quite as much of the impact, but I know that one of my fabulous glue dots, Avolun, asked if I could do a little showing of it, and so that's what I'm doing. So hope you guys like it. Give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment. You know the drill. Anyway, kind of an unofficial official video. So, all right, guys, hope you like it. You can see that all the room is pretty much in the browns and beiges. Not a whole lot of pops of color in there. The walls are kind of like a mocha color, and the brown curtains. The room basically is very dark, and I really want to lighten it up. And not a lot of light comes through, though you can't tell that on the video. Here's my cute little doggy and my ugly entertainment center that I redid in the last video. I also do not really care for this little table and vase, so I'm going to be changing that up a little bit as well. And I can't do much with this chair because I can't really change out all the furniture, but I'm going to change the area rug and do a little painting, and also buy another little end table between these two couches, which you can't really see because it gets cut off. So in my other little video clip showing you the before, I kind of started from right here, but without showing you the little table. Actually I can show you. There was this little table there before you'll notice the accessories up there on the top of it were on my fireplace before. So anyway, I found this great little table at, I think it was TJ Maxx Home Goods, and ended up replacing it. And then I also put all new pillows, as you can see. Well, of course, I did paint the entire room. It's no longer that mocha brown color, or that whatever, latte brown, whatever you want to call it. But anyway, I thought that the end table went really nice with our coffee table that we have. So if you also notice from the video before, I've changed out some of the accessories on top of the fireplace. I painted our little picture up here, the frame, white, just to lighten things up a bit. I still feel like the fireplace area is pretty dark. And then I also found at a thrift store this really cute little, well, it says a nut machine, but it's actually a candy. Well, I'm going to use it for candy. I think they'll hold up better. So you just pull it out, and then the candy falls in there. To put your hand underneath, and it drops out the candy. So I thought that was kind of cool. Anyway, I don't know if it's an antique or just vintage or nothing, just made to look that way, but I liked it. So I also changed out the little accessories here, and obviously my curtains, which makes a big difference too. And one of the biggest changes was this rug, and it is so soft. I'm loving how soft it is. My dog's loving it too. So let's see. And then the biggest change, which I also will be posting a video on, is my entertainment center, which was the same color as that little end table, side table thing. And I'll show you how to do that. And I'm sure a lot of you Dollar Tree fan crafters noticed and recognized the garden fence here that I ended up using. Now I still haven't glued it in place, so you'll notice I got to move it up a little bit so that that little space is not there anymore. And then I found this really cute cart at TJ Maxx Home Goods as well, and put that in place, and also painted the vase here. I'm not really excited about that vase with the sticks, so I'll probably be changing that out. And then the other thing I do still want to work on is this little mirror here in the entry. And I think that, I don't know if I just want to paint it white, the wood part, or if I want to maybe cover it with nautical rope or something. The other thing I kind of tossing around is painting this little basket down here. So that's what I'm doing. That's what I've got going. These are some more of the pillows that I also got between, sorry, between Marshall's and Home Goods, and I went everywhere, to Ross and to Bed Bath and Beyond, but that's what I came up with, guys. And then part of in my kitchen here, you'll see my good old Dollar Tree flowers and my little Dollar Tree artwork on the wall. And I do have my whatchamacallit here. Gosh, I didn't plan on showing the rest of the mess in here, so we'll turn that around quick. I do have this that I found, my Steal of the Deal bargain, for $3.50, and I'm not sure where that's going to go up yet. I may put it on the mantle, and then my other thought is to go up right up there above the door. So let me know what you guys think, where I should put it. If you have any suggestions, I'm really not liking how dark the fireplace area is, but I don't know if that's something I just want to clean or paint. But if you have any suggestions, I'm open to hearing them. Let me know. Bye.